like me unboxing it?
Yes, go for it.
Here on the front of the store.
My brand new Apple Watch. Actually, I probably won't be keeping this for that long
Just don't advertise
because this is.
the test.
I bought
Ooh,
this
it's
just to
so
try it out. I'll be keeping this band. I love this band.
It does. It is pretty cool.
This is the SE,
She's had to return.
the newest SE. But the thing is it's cheaper than a Series 9, but I just want to give it a shot. But I'll probably be back in a couple of weeks to return this and get a Series 9. Mainly once I get a different Apple Watch that I can recycle for store credit. So that's the main
That's
reason
so
why.
fucking
But I
funny.
want to walk out of here with an Apple Watch. So that's what the SE is for. It's a throwaway watch.
Throwaway watch. Let's go. And then you damage it. Oh, by the way, Apple
It
Care is
has
gonna
Apple
be,
Care, so
Apple Care is
Apple
going to
will
be
care.
messed to cancel
So
because you won't get a refund on it.
do what now?
I don't think you can get a refund on Apple Care.
Yeah, but I'm going to put it towards the Series 9, so it'll all work.
That's fine.
And actually, they have a 14-day return policy on everything, so
Open that shit up.
it'll be fine.
You're gonna have to send this to me because it's going in my vlog now since you actually did this.
For sure.
For real, for real.
We can airdrop it.
Airdrop. We can tap our phones together.
Yes.
I think that just slides. Yeah, it's there. This is the watch band.
I can already tell you now, I'm coming back for a Series 9, so
You don't like
I
this?
don't really give a fuck about the packaging.
That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair.
I mean, I will keep this, but
You know.
like
my
I'll
gosh.
keep this.
Put your band on.
Look at me, I got 2 Apple Watches.
Take off your old one so you can put the right one the right way.
I put this here just to move it out of the way. So this is my wrist.
That's where you usually put it. Okay. Flip.
No, this is
The way that doesn't have that like message mark on it is on the inside. Or the outside. If it's not fitting, flip it over.
I hope you're getting this all on camera. Okay.
Oh, I am dead ass. Oh no, wait, hold on. So flip it over again. You should like lock in place.
Yeah,
So
maybe it's
okay,
on the
move
wrong
other side.
side.
No, they're reversible. So because
they
you
are?
can flip it which wrist it's on. So try that. Yeah. Try that.
There
you
we go.
Click.
Okay. I just didn't press hard enough.
Are you sure this is the way you want it?
Yeah.
Do we need anything else today?
Oh, that does work out actually very well.
Just waiting for someone to bring that up. We're looking at 96.
I have a really hard time putting. Yep. See, here we go.
Already breaking it. Oh my god. Punch it.
Nice.
Nice.
Ow, my arm hairs. Okay. So.
That's the there you go. Dude.
Very nice. Very nice.
All the packaging. You ready for this? You're gonna need your phone in a second.
Yeah, I will, and I'll just set it up, and then just.
You want to do it in the car?
I will. Yeah.
Because it's
so-
like loud and.
Here we go, guys. It works. Yay. Bye.